Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a one-pan chicken meatballs with orzo. I'll be showing you the ingredients in two parts. The first part is for our chicken meatballs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground chicken, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley chopped fine, that's optional, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay guys, for the second part of our ingredients, this is going to be for our garlic Parmesan Orzo. So we're going to need 2.5 cups of low sodium chicken broth, 1.5 cups of dry orzo pasta, 2/3 cups of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese shredded, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I also have parsley chopped finely for garnish, and also 2 large garlic cloves minced. Okay guys, so I've added my ground chicken to the bowl. So we're going to add in our breadcrumbs, our egg, milk, Italian seasoning, our salt, our minced garlic, black pepper, onion powder, and also our parsley flakes. Now we're just going to mix until everything is well combined. Okay guys, once you're done mixing, we're going to let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. That's so the breadcrumbs can absorb any extra moisture. Okay guys, now I lined a baking sheet with parchment paper. All we're going to do is take an ice cream scooper and go into our meat mixture, and we're going to form our meatballs. Okay guys, now you want to continue making your meatballs. Okay guys, I was able to make 14 meatballs. Okay guys, I had failed to mention, when you mix your ground chicken together, also add your grated Parmesan cheese. I'm sorry about that. I'm human. I make mistakes. So right now we're going to get a pan. We're going to bring it to temperature, and we're going to add in our olive oil. Okay guys, now we can start adding in our meatballs, and all we're going to do is sear them on all sides. As you can see, they're coming out nicely. Okay guys, once they're golden, remove them from your pan and set them on a dish, cover them with aluminum foil so they will stay warm. Now to the same pan, add your minced garlic. We're going to saute that for 1 minute. Just scrape the bottom of the pan and mix that all together. Now you want to add your chicken broth. We're just going to go in, make sure you get all that on the bottom of your pan scraped up so it'll deglaze. Now you want to bring that to a low boil. Once it begins to boil, add in your orzo pasta, your heavy cream, your pepper, your salt, and also your shredded Parmesan. Now we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Okay guys, now we're just going to sit our meatballs on top. You want to lower your heat to medium-low. Now we're going to go ahead and cover it, and we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm going to take the lid off. And here we have it. Our chicken meatballs with orzo is now done. If it looks like it has a lot of liquid in it, don't worry about it because it will thicken up. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with some fresh parsley over top for garnish. Remember, this is optional. You don't have to put that on there. And here we have it. Chicken meatballs with orzo. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment, and until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.